Meet Mirumi, the charming mascot robot by Yukai Engineering that's stealing hearts everywhere. This playful and interactive gadget brings a sprinkle of joy and personality to your day with its lifelike movements and delightful gestures. Whether it's reacting to your touch or following you with its googly eyes, Mirumi is designed to keep you smiling. Packed with innovative features, Mirumi detects movement with its advanced sensors and responds naturally, creating a lively and engaging interaction. Its ability to simulate shyness by ducking or turning its head and shaking its head when unhappy makes it irresistibly lovable. Plus, with its secure grip, you can easily attach Mirumi to your bag strap or handle, taking your new buddy wherever you go. Perfect as a fun companion for yourself or a unique gift for loved ones, Mirumi is more than a robot. It's a delightful experience. Its whimsical behavior will keep everyone entertained and amazed. Get your Mirumi today. Click the link below to shop. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more engaging and detailed product reviews.